Welcome back. Part 3. We ended up getting everything all touched up. I painted the tank. Got everything else all painted. Now I let it set for over a whole day. Pull the tape and everything off. We're gonna see what everything else looks like. I think everything else might be good. Let me make sure we ain't getting no overspray on anything, which I don't think we did. And if we didn't get any overspray on and it's good to go, put the back wheel and everything back on. And then start putting it back together, and then we're going to figure out if we're going to make it gas or if we're going to keep it gas or if we're going to make it electric. And I did do a little bit of rearranging today and cleaned up.
So what is that right there? Like big ass windows? I know that.
Oh, that's okay. But no, I cleaned the garage up today, moved some stuff around, made it easier to get to my tools and stuff. Since I'm going to be doing quite a bit of work. Plus, I got another TV out here. The old one that I had out here, bitten dust. So now, I got another one. We could watch the games out here while I'm working. Last time I was doing work out here, I used to have cops play. Sitting right here at the bar and watching cops and doing some work, drinking some beer, chilling, relaxing, you know. Damn, I tell you, I should start putting the doorknob. Right? What is that? I don't know. Is that a dirt bike? Maybe. It's a Franken bike, electric. What's that? Where can I buy that at? It's custom by Miller's Garage. By Redbeard Garage. Redbeard Moto Garage. Well, when I take some shit up, I tell you what, I take this motherfucker up.
I'm gonna give you some blue tape.
I spent $1 something on this tape. I was looking at all kinds of fucking tape too in my car. Tape fucking got expensive.
It did.
Like, jeez.
The fucking tape at Dollar General was like almost $7. And that's for like the duct tape and Gorilla tape. I'm like, dude.
You've been down there since they remodeled it?
Yes.
We went down there.
We went down there the first day that they opened up. And I called Mom and I showed her on the video chat, and she hasn't been down there since they opened up. This is really nice. But they moved everything, so it's like, okay, where the fuck is it at?
Yep.
Oh, I see this before. Oh, I want to buy that. There, you got me. Dollar General.
Shit, it already looks pretty damn good with it all freshly painted all up. And it's not bad for being rattle can, I'll tell you that. Rattle can special. Alright.
So you're gonna keep that?
Damn, I missed the spot. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one.
What about Reborn?
I don't know. I'll probably do the whole different rims and everything with it. Cause they'll probably get supermotos on it if I make it electric. If I keep it gas, I'm gonna get some knobby tires like what was on the 2 other. I will make a knob here. Oh, excuse me. Oh, I still got more tape to take off over here.
I'm supposed to be taking I'm letting Tim think I'm done an electric dirt bike. And it's kind of almost like the one from Walmart, but maybe it's a little bit bigger. Yeah, I asked him because Allison wants to buy it. I think it was last night. Because you know, the cost was $500 better. Because he said the battery's good, but there's something inside the battery. Like, since the batteries, it's all individual little batteries, something inside of it is what's probably most likely to be possible to do. So I was like, you got anything to trade him? Because say if you guys come out and buy it and do a lap. And he goes, no, I got a scooter. And he goes, I got that little electric dirt bike that you see on the table on my tail. I said, I wasn't really paying attention. I said, what's the price? So he sent me a picture. I said, how fast is that? He goes, it goes like 35. Okay. So I'm sitting here thinking, so he goes, well, give me a day or two. He goes, because I really like it. He goes, it's pretty cool. I was like, okay. This is what it looks like.
I was trying to get a thing out there earlier. Look at that.
That's what Tim has. I asked him, I said, well, you want to trade for the metal bike lane? You got that brought back to the neighbors? He goes, oh, I mean, yeah. And he goes, well, I got to do some thinking into it. He goes, because this bike's pretty fun. I said, come on, I know you want to.
Alright. Shit, you get that. That's a trailer.
Yeah, I guess he has a bigger motor for it and 2 more batteries too. Because right now he said it goes 35, but it's upgradable to make it go faster. I'm like, hell, cool. He goes, give me a day or two to think about it.
No, it's right now, hold on.
Alright guys, what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. Minus the spot that I missed right there, but other than that, I think it looks pretty damn good, to be honest. I touched up the caliber. I think it looks pretty nice. By the way, there's the TV. We're watching some Tom and Jerry. There's the bar. But yeah, I say it's looking good. Looking good. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Great. I love it.
Stick your finger in it.
Yeah. I ain't zapping my damn finger, Bob. Oh, I wasn't even. I ain't even paying the backside.
You could be like grown-ups and fry bacon on it.
That's what I had. Yeah. I did that shit on Snapchat. Cooked bugs. Anyone? This is a little bit of a pain in the butt.
You're ready to smoke it!
Oh shit, I dropped my nut. I got my nut off.
No fever.
Because the hyper tooth is not cutting it. I need to use the snap-on ender pack. Oh. Thank you, Mother. Now you don't want to over tighten them like the last dumbass did and snap wire in the wrench. Some people just don't think. Well, actually, there's the broken one right there. Lovely. That's why I said I think I'm going to invest in some new wheels. Probably the best thing to do. So these are not the greatest.
Let me know.
Alright, now I gotta figure out.
What did you say?
Mother lover ain't about to have no back brakes. Who needs back brakes? Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is a prime example why you should wear covered shoes in the garage. Sorry about your toe, my love. I hope it's okay. It looked like it might have hurt just a wee
It
little
actually
bit.
didn't hurt as bad. It hurts a lot, but
Looks good. Looks good. What do you think, Bubba? Look good? Does it look good? Give me a thumbs up. Alright, let's throw the seat on here and see what the seat looks like. Oh yeah. Why does plastic not be a pain in the ass sometimes? So what's your bed? Don't look too shabby, y'all. After taking 20 minutes, we found one. Hey! After these ones are in there, we get a couple photos. Call it a wrap tonight. At least on that video, part 3. And like always, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. And like I've been saying, let me know in the comments on what I should do with this. Should I put another 125cc on it, or should I make it all electric? Guys, we're gonna experiment. This is broken right here, so we're gonna try to melt a zip tie, which is plastic, to this plastic. We're gonna try to bond some stuff. Actually, let's go over here too. Alright, this is the end of part 3. It is all painted. We got the plastics put back on. Wheels are back on. I say it looks pretty good. And like I always say, like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Make sure you have that bell notifications on. Peace out.